Yo, Edu the chef. Edu the chef hapa. Mine is to wish you guys Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Mukae mkiwa safe kabisa, mujienjoy festive season, lakini mukumbuke kuna kesho. So thank you very much. The year was good. Thank you for your support. Mazee, na tuendelee hivyo hivyo, and we're gonna be building bigger things moving forward. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Stay safe on the road. Muka wenye wako mbali, wako kwa masafari, I pray for journey mercies to you guys. Mazee, na mukae mkiwa safe. Kumbukeni kesho, mkumbuke kuna next year pia. So see you guys, and thank you very much.